Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give some details about Capgemini coding test, which is to 5 to 7 years of experience. The first round will be the coding test, and second round will be the technical discussion, and third round will be a HR interview. So in this example, the Java coding test, which is to serialize the string array objects. Generally, this objects which like employee number or employee ID will be serializing. Now here, this case, making serialization of both the string objects, writes and the games. Okay, let me open the Eclipse. Yeah, here is the question. They will give the main part of this, and just we need to define one class. So I'm writing one class now here to make a serializable object here. I've created theme power class. Constructor. So I know the error, so I'll declare 3 here. Like this, we use this to assign it in a constructor. So it will be useful when creating an object. So it's initializing the constructor, and then I would like to pass this parameter through constructor for creating an object. So during object creation, I'll pass these parameters from the source, and then it initializes the string array object. Now I'm going to write another class which implements, which extends this class. The most important is that we need to implement the serializable interface. So we are marking this class is serializable, and the variables whatever the string array we declared here is also be serializable here. So I'm creating an implementation class because I would like to create an object from the source so that it will be easy to create an object and pass these parameters. Here I'm created an object for a implementation class. I'm passing these parameters. So yeah, I need to declare it before that. That's why it's a compilation error. Yep. Now sorted out. The first step to understand a serializable is to create a file output stream, which will create a file into the stream, and then object output stream. It pass this file into the object output stream and write this file to the with write object. We'll write this file to this object output stream. So I'm importing and defining your exceptions. Try catch black. Next step is our object output stream. Oops, some compilation. Yeah, I'm passing this now. Changing to meaningful name and just passing it. Yeah, same way I'm putting in a try catch block. Or will throws IO exception, or will define your another catch block for IO exception or exception. I'm writing this object. Just flushing and then closing it. So the reading is completed. This is serializable, and the expectation is to deserialize the whatever the file we created and whatever the object we have passed it into that. Then you need to deserialize and write another code for a deserialization. Just copy pasting it and changing the names to The best approach is to write your own way, better rather than copying. But it is for a time consuming. I'm just copying, pasting this code here. The best approach is try to explore how we can write it down, like file, or instead of file output stream, just need to write a file input stream and object input stream. So we are reading the input now. Whatever we have file created, myfile.txt, and we are reading it and try to do the deserialization. Something should be read object. It's not coming up. No, okay, yeah, is a file input stream. Should be file input stream because we are reading the file of the existing ones. Here the same object input stream. Now we get it, read object. So earlier code we are used for write object, and this code we are using read object. Now whatever object we have, we need to create an object and typecast to the implementation class. Here is a typecasting. Just I'm trying to display the length, whether I'm able to first checking when whatever write object, whatever object will return to that, just I'm checking whether the at least it's coming as a part of length first, but as part of comparison. Any runtime errors, so I'm just checking it now. So if we have an object successful, then we'll have a length here. Oh, okay, this is a comma here. I'm just removing it. Removed it. Running it. Oh, there is a problem. Right object exception. Yeah, we'll see it now. Okay, okay. Yes, click on this. So it takes to the object stream, object. Oh, so it's like IDE recommended, but sorry for that. So just need to, so, but don't go for IDE recommendation steps. So sometimes this kind of problems will come. So this is a good practice. Like write down, just think about it, like how we can write it instead of going for a ID recommendation. Yeah, we got the length now. It means we are able to read the object. We'll see how whether after reading is successful or not for a deserialization. Looping string array. It was a duplicate, so I'm just changing to one. Right, it's looping. Oh, yeah, it has to be games. Yeah, it's the same way. So it is just like serializable and deserialization. So just so that it will be available for network. So we are able to read and write an object. Here is a writes games. So we should able to read the games writes, and first thing is that first we have read this with a file output stream and write this into the file with the file output stream and object output stream, and then read with using file input stream and object input stream. Simple, straightforward. Have any questions? Please comment it. No? Please like, share, comment. Thank you.